number 24. In triangle XYZ, angle Z is a right angle and the length of YZ is 24 units. If tan X is equal to 12 divided by 35, what is the parameter in units of triangle XYZ? So again, no diagram was provided, so we can take a right angle triangle. This is XYZ and angle Z, that is the right angle. So let us mark it over here, the square symbol, to indicate that. Length of YZ is given to us to be 24 and tan X. Tan, as you know, is opposite divided by adjacent. So what is the ratio? So tan will not give the exact length, but it will give the ratio between the opposite and the adjacent side. So this is 12 opposite side and adjacent side is 35. But the actual length is 24 of YZ. But in terms of the tan, it is in the ratio 12:35. So what should we do? That angle Z in triangle XYZ is a right angle. Thus, side YZ is the leg opposite angle X and side XZ is the leg adjacent to angle X. The tangent of an acute angle in a right triangle is the ratio of the length of the leg opposite the angle to the length of the leg adjacent to the angle. It follows that tan X is equal to YZ divided by XZ. And it's given that tan X is equal to 12 divided by 35 and the length of side YZ is 24 units. So what we can do, we can substitute 12 by 35 for tan X and 24 for YZ in the equation. Tan X is equal to YZ divided by XZ. 12 divided by 35 is equal to 24 divided by XZ. So correspondingly, what will be the value of XZ? There are many ways of solving. Let us cross multiply it and solve it. So 12XZ is equal to 35 times 24. Therefore, XZ would be equal to 35 times 24 divided by 12. 24 divided by 12 would be 2. So XZ would also become double of 35, which is 70. Just like the value of YZ was actually 24 units and 24 is double of 12. Same way 35 also, it will double and the actual length of XZ would be 70. Now since we need the perimeter, we need the length of all the three sides. Now we know the value of YZ 24, ZX. So we just now need the hypotenuse YX. Calculated using the Pythagorean theorem, it states that if a right angle triangle has legs with lengths of A and B and a hypotenuse with length C, then A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. Now we will substitute 70 for A and 24 for B and use that to calculate C squared. So we will get 70 squared plus 24 squared, which is equal to C squared. When you simplify this, you will get 5476, which is equal to C squared. Taking the square root of both sides of this equation yields plus or minus 74 is equal to C. Since the length of the hypotenuse must be positive, it means that C is equal to 74. Therefore, the length of this hypotenuse is 74. And already this YZ was given to be 24. And then we calculated XZ to be 70. So now we just have to add all the three sides. The perimeter of a triangle is the sum of the lengths of all the sides. Thus 74 plus 70 plus 24 has to be added and we will get 168 units. That is the perimeter of the triangle XYZ. And that is matching to answer choice B, 168.